Need to reset your consumer cellular voicemail PIN? There are two primary methods: using the IVR system if you know your current PIN, or contacting customer service if you've forgotten it. To reset via IVR, dial 86 or your voicemail access number, enter your current PIN, press 4 for personal options, then 3 to change your PIN. Enter your new PIN, ensuring it's a strong, unique numeric code, avoiding easily guessed sequences. If you've forgotten your PIN, call Consumer Cellular Customer Service at 1-888-345-5509. A representative will verify your account details before resetting it to a default or randomly generated PIN. Treat your voicemail PIN like any other important password. Regularly changing it and avoiding simple sequences enhances security. Consumer Cellular is increasingly integrating voicemail management with its mobile app, allowing PIN resets and other settings adjustments remotely. Looking ahead, expect potential advancements like voice biometrics or AI-driven authentication for PINless access. Always be cautious of phishing attempts targeting telecom accounts and consider enabling two-factor authentication when available. Remember, a strong voicemail PIN helps protect your private messages from unauthorized access. Security experts like those from the EFF emphasize the importance of voicemail PINs. A weak voicemail PIN can be a backdoor for identity theft.